Hey everybody, welcome back to another Trackhoe Tuesday. This week, JD had a job to clean out a ditch so the water will flow from the storm pipe and not flood the people's backyard. It looks nice, but it didn't look like this way when we started. Come join us.
Time to unload. Let's get all the brush out of the way. We're using the small excavator for cleaning the ditch. The ditching bucket has no teeth. Starting to look better. Look at all this mess. Job's not done. Watch out, frogs. The ditch is coming along. Almost to the storm pipe. That means we're almost done. Now the water knows which way to go.
Thanks for joining JD today. We got the ditch all cleared up, so now the water will flow out of the storm pipe and not flood the backyard. All the brush is gone, and it's looking much cleaner. The mini excavator and the ditching bucket were the right tools for this job. Made it go pretty fast. And to everybody who's already subscribed, thank you very much. We really appreciate it. And if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that button below.